ambulance is sick today, but it's okay. Don't worry. The monster truck will appear and help the ambulance. To know more stories, follow me to experience new and interesting things in the video. Let's go! Oh, this is our main character, the ambulance. But what's wrong with her? Oh no, she's coughing. Is she sick?
Hey, ambulance, are you okay?
Oh, I'm just a little tired. It's okay. I can still do the mission.
Baby ambulance is seriously ill. We need to measure her temperature.
Oh my God! 102 degrees F! You have a fever! Take medicine quickly! If you want to be healthy to continue your mission, you must take medicine.
Oh no, ahead is a muddy road! Hey girl, are you okay? This road is very dangerous. Please go carefully.
Don't worry, I'll help you up now.
The monster car is here! He always appears when the ambulance is in trouble! Oh no! After the recent accident, the ambulance was full of injuries.
You have so many wounds, I will bandage you.
Oh, yeah!
Monster Truck prepares 2 ergo patches to bandage the ambulance. He's so thoughtful!
Thank you, Monster Truck!
You're welcome, ambulance. Let's continue the mission.
Oh my God! There's a McQueen stuck at the bottom of the cliff. This abyss is too deep. I can't reach you. I have to go down and save him right now.
Yeah!
No! The slope ahead is too high. I can't climb that slope by myself.
Hey ambulance! You seem very tired. I will call a monster car to help you.
Oh no! Ambulance, can't you get in? I will pull you up!
All right!
Thanks, Monster Truck. You helped me 3 times. You are so kind.
My mission is to help you. Let's complete your work.
The ambulance has arrived right away.
Yay!
Thanks, ambulance. I'm going to the hospital now.
Do you see? Even though the ambulance is sick, he still tries to complete his duty. And the superhero monster car is always ready to help people when they encounter difficulties. Children need to learn the courageous and always trying spirit of the 2 cars in the video. However, if you unfortunately get sick, please tell your parents so they can take medicine and rest to gain more strength. Goodbye. Hello, little friends. Get ready for today. Let's see how garbage trucks clean the streets and find out what we can do to keep the streets clean and beautiful. Let's go. So much trash here. Maybe we should clean up.
Oh man, there's so much trash. Let someone else do it, not me.
Hey man, your duty is to clean up the trash on the streets. Why do you throw trash like that? Oh no! Garbage trucks are dropping more and more trash.
Oh my God! Garbage blocks my view! I can't see anything! Oh my God! It's dangerous! I almost had an accident!
That's a garbage truck, right? Why does he litter like that?
How unconscious? Let's quickly chase him.
Littering on the street, so fun! Wah! There are 3 trash cans over there. I thought of a fun game.
The garbage truck's actions were seen by 2 of our friends. Oh no! This guy still refuses to do his duty. Okay, I will report it to the police. All right, let's go to the police station.
Dear police officer, I witnessed the whole thing. All of this trash comes from garbage trucks. He doesn't do his duty and causes vandalism.
It turns out that's it. Quickly chase the garbage truck. There he is! He won't stop! I have to speed up!
Oh no! The police are chasing me!
Stop that! Hey man! Why are you filling the streets with trash like this? It's really dangerous!
Garbage truck looks back at the road it caused. It's very regretful.
I'm so sorry. I know it's wrong. I will fix it.
Hey man, your mission is to help us have a clean and beautiful environment. So don't throw trash indiscriminately, and now hurry up and clean up.
I will clean up the city clean and green.
After regretting my sabotage, the garbage truck redeemed itself by cleaning up the streets. Remember to take care of the trash too.
All right.
Hooray! Hooray! In the end, the truck apologized. He worked hard and brought cleanliness back to the city. Did you see? That the naughty garbage truck's action of throwing trash just now was really bad, right? We must not throw trash on the street indiscriminately and must not destroy the environment. Although the garbage truck was mischievous and caused an error, in the end, the garbage truck completed its task well. So let's join hands to protect a clean and beautiful environment.
Godzilla, I don't want to hear those sounds anymore.
Oh man! Oh
Maybe the wheel is deeper. I have to keep digging.
Come on!
All right!
Come on!
Go away! You're not what I'm looking for!
Aha!
We need to bring down those treetop doors.
The tree is too tall. The excavator can't reach it. We have to find another way.
Got an idea! Oh yeah! Ba, ba, ba. All right!
Today we will experience police cars, tank trucks, cranes, and excavators working. Let's see what good things these cars can do today. That's a tanker truck. Where is he going?
Oh no! There is a hole ahead!
Oh no! The deep hole is so dangerous. Why aren't there any danger warning signs here?
Help! Help me!
Huh? A cry for help? 2 cars are in danger. I need to find a way to save them. Ah! We need to prepare rescue equipment. Warning signs. Crane! Excavator! Okay, let's go rescue the tank truck.
All right!
Let's go!
Ba, ba, ba.
We are here to save you!
Remember, little friend, dangerous places like this need to have safety warning signs for everyone. Hooray! Hooray! In cases like this, cranes are the most effective means. He's pulling up the police car with ease.
Yeah!
Next is rescuing the tank truck. Can they do it? Oh no, it's too dangerous. The crane is not strong enough to pull the tank truck. Oh no!
Help! 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 Oh no, you can't solve it alone! Let me help!
Because the crane was working alone, it overturned. Please ask others for help when you encounter difficult things, guys.
Okay, now let's pull the tank truck up, excavator.
Come on! Oh yeah!
Thank you, cranes and excavators. Thanks to you, I was saved.
You're welcome! Next time, you should pay attention and control your speed when driving.
Oh, we still have a road that needs repair. This hole is very dangerous. I have to find some way to fill this hole. Ah! Let's go! Okay, Tanker, let's fix this road together.
All right.
Ah, the tanker truck has arrived at the refueling tank to repair the road. The car is full of concrete. Let's go! This is the true use of tank trucks. So helpful. Thanks to everyone's efforts, the road has been repaired like new. But don't forget either, after each job, remember to clean up your tools.
Well done, Tanker! You helped the city repair this road.
That's the right thing to do.
The road is beautiful again. Everyone went home happy.
Oh no!
Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore the story of Pomni and the monster trucks.
Those two McQueens are really beautiful. I like them a lot.
Pomni and the monster trucks were out for a walk when they saw two really nice cars. She was very excited.
Hey, Pomni, don't go in there without permission.
The door suddenly closes, trapping Pomni inside. Both of them are in a panic.
To rescue Pomni, you need to find 3 keys to unlock the door.
Thank you, Excavator. I'll go find them now.
So, the monster truck begins the journey to find the 3 keys to rescue Pomni.
Don't know where to look for the keys.
The monster truck suddenly sees a pit full of balls and decides to check it out. The monster truck excitedly jumps into the pit. Do you think the keys are down here? Surprisingly, the monster truck has found one of the 3 keys.
I found the key!
Quick, let's unlock the first lock for Pomni.
All right. Yeah!
I'll go find another key. Please wait.
Hey! The monster truck passes through a snow bubble pit. He starts pondering. The monster truck jumps into the snow bubble pit. He frolics around, causing snow bubbles to splash everywhere.
Oh my god, I can't see anything.
The snow bubbles are too much, and the monster truck can't see anything. He needs help.
Please help me find the key under this snow bubble pit.
Don't worry, I'll help you find it.
All right.
The kind excavator has arrived to help the monster truck.
Hooray! Hooray!
Here's the key. Quickly bring it back to rescue Pomni.
Thank you, Excavator. I'll bring it back to rescue Pomni right away. I found the second key. Only 1 key left. I'll go find it and bring it back to rescue you. The last key must be in here. Gotta go down and find it.
The monster truck jumps into the ball pit. It rummages around to find the last key. All I see is garbage. Still no sign of the key. Come on!
The last key has appeared. Now we have all 3 keys. Finally, I found the last key in a ball pit.
Fantastic! Let's quickly unlock the final lock.
Pomni, I'm going to open the door for you right now. Oh yeah!
The final door has been opened. Let's see what happens next.
I've unlocked all 3 locks. Let's open the gate.
Sorry, Big Truck. From now on, we won't dare to steal again.
Okay, from now on you must not steal, all right?
Little ones, remember, stealing is very bad. Don't be like Pomni.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. Today, the police car has a very important mission, which is to arrest a robber. However, while performing the mission, many incidents occurred. Please follow me to see what solutions we have to help the police car. Let's go! Hey, Monster Truck! You're not allowed to do bad things like that.
Oh no, something happened. I have to go check now. Something happened. There's been a robbery at the bank. Monster cars caused it.
All right.
The police car saw the thief, but he goes
Stop
so
that!
fast! Oh no, ahead is a gravel road. It looks so bumpy and difficult to walk on.
Stop that!
The police car is trying, but he can't get through this road.
My car's chassis is too low. Can't get over the rocks here.
Oh no, the police car's wheel is broken. Do you have any way to help the police car overcome this obstacle? Aha! We should replace this wheel with a larger version.
All right.
The 2 front wheels are done. Let's move on to the 2 rear wheels.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's reinforce and perfect the car. Great, an epic version of the police car has been completed. With this version, he can move easily.
Yeah.
Stop that! Got an idea!
Oh no, the monster car has dumped all its fuel on the road.
Stop that!
Making the road extremely slippery. Oh my god, the monster car just set fire to the road.
Oh no, I have to get out of here quickly!
Help! The police car is on fire! The monster car is very happy about what he did. He's so hateful. The path has been blocked by fire. What to do now? Aha!
Okay, let's upgrade the car.
Oh, so he upgraded a fire extinguisher to the back of the car. Wow! So the police car has been upgraded. A fire department.
Let's fight the road fire together.
Yoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hooray, police car! The road has been extinguished. Let's continue chasing the thief.
Monster car, you can't escape! Stop that!
Oh no, the police car crashed and fell off a cliff. The monster car even laughed at him.
I have to climb up to continue chasing the thief. This cliff is too high, I can't climb it. What should I do?
The police car has fallen into the abyss. And this abyss is very deep. We need to do something to help the police car. Aha! The police car is equipped with a propeller. He can fly! How majestic!
There he is!
Oh my God!
Monster car, you are arrested!
Hey, buddy. Do you know what your mistake is? Never do bad things like that again.
Quickly return the money you stole to the bank.
The thief must return the money he stole! The police car took him to the station! The police car just now was brave enough to complete its mission. Do you guys like car upgrades like the previous situations? Try to be creative to make your toys more diverse and new. I believe you will have great experiences. Wishing you many good and interesting ideas. Goodbye!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Come on! Come on! Bye!